Hello, welcome back. This is Tristan. In today's video, we're going to continue another series of 2Ds to make 3D views of an object. We're going to draw a car today. So, one of the classic favorite cars, the Ford Mustang. So, let's try how to do this. Like for my previous videos, we're going to use basic shapes and it to look like it is 3D. Okay, so I'm going to start without further ado. Okay, let's draw a long rectangle. Okay, it's long. Again, just draw lightly. Okay, so now we have a long triangle, so don't worry about the lines yet. Again, we are just practicing. So to to perfect that drawing, you're not going to draw this just one time. You have to keep drawing and drawing. So that you have those muscle memories implanted in your brain and in your hands. Okay, especially in your heart, because if you love drawing, you're going to love it. Okay, so now we have a long rectangle. Let's just cut it here. Okay, another here. Okay, then we're going to put a line. Okay, just don't worry about extending. It's just normal when drawing, even if you're drawing using ball pen. Okay, if you're comfortable using pencils, no problem. Now we're going to again just to emphasize, you can draw with a reference. Do not do not draw yourself with, you're not going to draw with a reference. So okay, so let's say just put a slant here, just making a triangle, but just a slant. Okay, now we're going to, because this is a Mustang, uh, we're going to put the headlights here and here. Doesn't look much, but it will come. Okay, just bear with me. So of course we have to draw the wheels. Okay, for the wheels, a trick that I learned from other tutorials, I mean those who draw professional cars, they said that if you want to, most of the cars that wheels are separated by 5 wheels actually. So let's say we have a semicircle here, semicircle, of course remember our basic shapes. Okay, semicircle here, so just imagine this is another circle here, circle here, and the pip here is the next rail placement of the wheel. Okay, so we have a semicircle and draw a line here. If you want to draw with a ruler, it's okay, but I like you to learn without using a ruler. Okay, so next we're going to draw uh, the front of the, of course, where you sit. So just estimate. Of course, you need a good picture, a clear picture for reference. Okay, so let's draw a triangle here and another slant here. Okay, then again just estimate. This is the wheel here. Good picture reference. Then we're going to put a line above, and of course we're going to put a slant here. This is like a triangle also. Okay, so it looks boxy, but we will fix it later. Okay, so now we have a nice outline of the car. Say okay, so here now we're going to put a, of course it has, most of the classic cars have bumpers, unlike now there's no bumper. You have to install it for added protection. Okay, so a small bumper here. Now we're going to, of course we know that the Mustang has something like it from the engine. Okay, now notice that this is very flat. So you have to put another line above, just slightly above. Then close it. See? Again, another slant from the bottom. and here. Now we have that thing done. Let's finish close. Of course you have some light. Of course you have to judge. Okay, this one, let's added another line above. Again, going to just smooth it. As always, I emphasize keep practicing. You not to go, you cannot be go to that level without practicing. So it's better to have that good sketchbook to monitor your progress. Okay, here for the rear wheels. Then we have a, of course, just a slant there and close it here. See, so something is taking shape, and we know that uh, the the Mustang has some slide here. Okay, then another triangle here. You don't just have to close it. It's important you have a nice picture. Okay, then try to make a circle here, another circle here. This is the inner part of the wheel. Then try to make a bigger another circle here. Same the wheel to complete all the wheels. Okay, just draw lightly. See, of course you can always move that in your drawing. Draw where your comfortable is. Now let's draw the ground. Okay, a good thing about when you're drawing the headlights, you try to, for that effect, try to draw it like that. So this is very small, so it's like that. Okay, for this one, you, of course you're hatching. Learn how to where to press hard and press light. See, like I said before in my previous video, the good thing about ball pen is that you could write write it lightly or you can darken. Also, being pressing a little will give you that nice dark color. Okay, this one, and of course, see, now we have a nice looking car. And if you practice, you can draw this faster. See, remember we have some circles here that we draw light, and could always put make it disappear. Just learn to, like I said, practice how to shade, hatching. Okay, for the wheels again, you do not need to, okay, if you're still drawing like this, and no, you don't draw that to darken it. Use your hatching. Okay, just do something like this. Again, if you watch other tutorial videos about drawing cars, they draw it minimalist. They do not exaggerate. They just concentrate on the things that will catch the eye. Okay, again, like only darkens the mostly the outside. Okay, like this one. See, you can darken, and it's raining, so do not worry if you make mistakes, because when you're practicing, you will learn. If you are making mistakes, you will learn where to put it, or to correct it. Okay, so that's it. See, it's a very simple Mustang that you're drawing. Okay, so for this one, you just finish it later. Okay, So that's it. We have a basic car, favorite car, and hope you keep drawing, keep learning. Do not be troubled making mistakes, because everyone learns from their mistake. Do not be emotional. Don't be sad if you're not progressing, because there's no magic in drawing. No, like everything else, you need to practice. No, in skills, there's no lucky shot, because in lucky shot, of course, you have that first time, and like in basketball or any sports that you can have a lucky shot, it's possible, but not in drawing. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you like, subscribe, comment, share, and appreciate it for keeping my interest in drawing. And I'm doing this for beginners who would love to draw, and and be a, and be good to himself. Okay, hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you very much.